Random number facts you didn't ask for. 1. A million seconds is about 11.6 days, but a billion seconds is about 31.7 years. A million seconds is about 11.6 days, just under 2 weeks. A billion seconds is about 31.7 years, more than 3 decades. It's wild how much bigger billion is compared to million, right? 2. If you folded a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach the moon in thickness, theoretically, that is. It's because of exponential growth. Each fold doubles the thickness. Fold 10 times equals 10 cm thick. Fold 20 times equals 100 meters. Fold 42 times equals 440,000 kilometer, which is farther than the moon 384,000 kilometer away. Of course, we can't actually fold paper that many times in real life. The record is 12 folds. 3. The number of possible ways to shuffle a deck of 52 cards is about 8 times 10. So large that it's likely no one has ever shuffled a deck into the exact same order twice. Here's that mind-blowing shuffle. 8 times 10 raised to the 67th power possible ways to arrange a deck of 52 cards. To put that in perspective, 1. That number is bigger than the number of atoms on Earth. 2. If every person on Earth shuffled 1,000 decks per second since the Big Bang, we still wouldn't have covered even a tiny fraction of the possibilities. So yeah, every time you shuffle, you're probably creating an order that has never existed before in the history of the universe. 4. There are more possible games of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. Here it is. To put it into perspective, the Shannon number, which is the possible chess games, is approximately 10 raised to the 120th power. The number of atoms in observable universe is approximately 10 raised to the 80th power. That means chess has about 10 trillion times more possibilities than there are atoms out there. Even with supercomputers, we could never play through every possible game. Chess is basically infinite. 5. A Google is 1 followed by 100 zeros. A Googleplex is 1 followed by a Google zeros. Here's how massive those numbers are. A Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros. A Googleplex is a 1 followed by a Google zeros. That's so big you couldn't even write it down. If you tried to write all the zeros, the universe isn't big enough to fit them. Fun fact, Google got its name from Google. They wanted to index a Google amount of information. 6. If you counted one number every second without stopping, it would take nearly 32 years to reach 1 billion. 7. A trillion is 1,000 billions, not just a really big billion. 8. The odds of randomly shuffling a deck of cards into perfect order are about 1 in 80 undecillion. An undecillion is a 1 followed by 36 zeros. Thanks for watching, and a big thanks to Just Sammy G for this idea and collaboration. Like and subscribe.